Let's ditch the crypto confusion and send $1 from your Bybit wallet to your Bitget wallet, avoiding those sneaky minimum transfer amounts and fees. First, fire up your Bybit app and tap on Assets, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Next, find the crypto you want to transfer. In this example, we'll use USDT, but the steps are similar for other coins. Then, hit that withdraw button. Now, jump over to your Bitget app again, go to Assets and this time, select Deposit, choose USDT, and then very important, pick the correct network. We'll stick with the most common, TRC20 for this example, since it generally has lower fees. Copy the deposit address Bitget gives you. Back in Bybit, paste the Bitget deposit address you just copied into the address field. Double check that you've selected the correct network TRC20. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Since we're aiming for $1 and there might be a small fee, enter slightly more, like 11 USDT. This makes sure the intended $1 will arrive, even after fees. Before you hit confirm, Bybit will show you a breakdown of the fees. Pay close attention to this. Make sure you're comfortable with the fee and that the amount you'll receive is close to your goal of $1. Then, confirm the withdrawal using your security methods, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification. And that's it. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to process on the blockchain. You can check the status in your Bybit withdrawal history and on your Bitget deposit history. And remember, always double check those addresses and networks before sending to avoid losing your funds.